Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. So you want to know more about how to disconnect gas grill hoses with crimped connectors? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to disconnect gas grill hoses with crimped connectors is megabytesturgis.com. Specifically the page titled Quick Disconnects and Plugs, Barbecue Grill Gas Hose Connectors. This is the link. You can also try megabytesturgis.com, especially the page Barbecue Grill Gas Hose Connectors and Quick Disconnects, Megabyte. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site arstechnica.com. The web page Gas Grill Hoses and Connectors, Ars Tech Nica Open Forum. This is the link.